Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming Citra is updated and your Xbox controller is recognized by the operating system. Plug in with USB or pair Bluetooth and make sure Windows or Mac OS shows input activity. This prevents surprises later. Once connected, install the official driver or the Xbox Accessories app to update firmware if needed, because a current driver fixes compatibility. Now open Citra. Do not launch a game yet, because you need to finish mapping controls first. You navigate to Emulation, Configure, then Controls. Pick the Controller tab and create a new profile so you can revert changes later. Click each input and press the corresponding Xbox button or move the stick. Assign A, B, X, Y, triggers, and D-pad one by one. Adjust analog dead zone and sensitivity to prevent drift, because sticks behave differently than keyboard keys. Once saved, test using Citra's Input Tester or load a simple ROM to verify mappings and tweak values until movement feels natural. You finalize settings by enabling rumble and tuning audio/video options so input and display stay synchronized. If you notice lag, switch to a wired USB connection, enable exclusive input mode, or reduce emulation speed to stabilize responsiveness. Make sure Citra hotkeys don't conflict with controller buttons and remap them if they do. If things go wrong, recalibrate the controller in your OS, update drivers and firmware, then reload your saved control profile. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.